It's 2019, but we still see the occasional posts on Facebook saying, "My phone's broken and I've got a new one, can you all send me your numbers please?" Don't be that person. Set your phone up properly, and even if it dies, you lose it or it gets stolen, you'll never need to scramble around to rebuild your contact list ever again. Hello, welcome back to Switched On Network. I'm Paul FP, and if it's your first time here, this channel covers technology, gadgets and the internet, etc. So click on the subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss any great new videos. So back in the old days, phones used to store your contacts as a simple name and number stored on your SIM card inside your phone. Who remembers when you could only store 10 single SMS messages at a time? Let me know by giving a thumbs up and leave a comment below. These days, phones obviously have much better memory, but with the advent of online accounts, you no longer need to store information solely on the chips inside your phone, losing all the data if you lose the physical device. This also means that you only need to maintain one contact list. The contact list on your phone can be exactly the same list as you'll see when sat at your computer writing an email, with everything synced up and all in tune with each other. I'm going to be talking mainly about Android and Google accounts here, but the concepts are broadly the same if you're in any other ecosystem. So to make sure that your phone contacts are stored in the right place, head into your phone's settings and then go to Accounts, then Google. Make sure that your Google account is added to your phone, and if it's not, add it. If you have a Gmail or Google Mail email address, then you already have a Google account, and if not, you can create one for free. Once you've done that, go into your Contacts app, and whenever you add a new contact, make sure that it's set to saving to your Google account and not to your phone's memory or to the SIM card. Even better, go into the Contact app settings and under Account Contacts, set the default account for new contacts to be your preferred Google account. If you've already got a load of contacts saved to your phone or SIM card memory, then you can go to the settings and export all your contacts as a VCF file. Save this somewhere on your phone and then find the file using the File Manager app, tap to open it and choose to open with the Contacts app. You'll then be prompted to import the contacts and ask where to save them. It's here that you can choose your preferred Google account to save them. You should shortly be able to see all of those contacts when you're logged into your Gmail at your computer by going to Contacts. This means that you can maintain just the one contact list between all of your devices, and of course if your phone gets stolen or you buy a new one or it gets lost, all you need to do on the new phone is log into your Google account, and as if by magic, all your contacts will appear. Once you've ensured that all your contacts are definitely on your Google account, then you can of course delete them from your phone's memory or your SIM card so you don't have lots of duplicates. I hope you found this video useful. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and think about subscribing to the channel for more videos like this one. You can check out some of our other videos on screen now. For example, click here to see how you can find your phone if it ever gets lost or stolen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.